What is up, everybody? Well, today we're trying something new. We're actually gonna try pulled ham. Yeah, pulled ham, not pulled pork. So, actually found the cheapest piece of ham I could at the local store. It's actually like an offcut. I've never seen one like this before. I actually have it on a pan because I don't want it to dry out while it's smoking. But we'll throw it in the Traeger for a few hours, add some smoke to it, and then I will be back for the next step. Well, we've been out in the smoker for about 3 hours. Internal temperature is around 155, and we are going to take it in and put it into a slow cooker. Alright, we've had the ham cooking in a slow cooker until we got to an internal temperature of about 205 when it just was fork tender and we could tear it apart. Made a glaze of about 2/3 of the apricot jam and the other third barbecue sauce, and we will pour that over the top, and you just put in as much as you like. We'll just, sorry for the hands in the way. And we're just going to try that. We're going to stir that up and give it a try. Well, there it is finished. Flavor of it is really good. I have never heard of it up until one of my friends told me about it. Totally worth doing. There's other recipes, other ways of doing it on YouTube, but heck, give it a try. Everybody have a good evening.